Good morning everyone. My name is Priya Raut. I'm from BBA Morning A. Today my topic is why economic development is more important than economic growth. Economic development is a critical component that drives economic growth in our economy, creating high wage jobs and facilitating an improved quality of life. The business development team at the Orland Economic Partnership works to attract and retain jobs for the Orland region, while the work for economic developers often falls under the radar. Creating and sustaining jobs for a region is a critical component to a successful economy and community. There are the 6 reasons why economic development plays a critical role in an region economy. Job creation. Economic developers provide critical assistance and information to companies that create jobs in our economy. We help to connect new to market and existing companies with the resources and the partners that they need to expand, such as career source, central or Florida utilities, and country and city partners. Industry diversification. A core part of the economic development works to diversify the economy, reducing a region's vulnerability to a single industry. While tourism plays an important role in creating jobs in the Orland region, economic development efforts help to grow industries outside of tourism, including innovative technologies and digital media, life science and healthcare, etc. Business retention and expansion. A large percentage of jobs in an Orland economy are created by existing companies that are expanding their operations. Our economy development team executed 73 business retention and expansion visits to local companies just last year to assist with their operational needs. Economy fortification. Economy development helps to protect the local economy for economic downturns by attracting and expanding region major employees. Increased tax revenue. The increased presence of companies in the region translate to increased tax revenue for company projects and local infrastructure. Improve quality of life. Better infrastructure and more jobs improves the economy of the region and raises the standard of living for its residents. This week, the Orland Economic Partnership is joining with other economic development organizations to celebrate International Economic Development Week. International Economic Development Week, hosted by the International Economic Development Council, is dedicated to creating awareness for economic development programs that impact the community and increases the quality of life. Learn more for the International Economic Development Councils. Thank you.